नमस्कार साथियों, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया स्वागत करता हूं आपका इस दिवाली के इस शुभ अवसर पर आज की ये टॉक। और साथियों, आपने उम्मीद करता हूं कि घर की साफ सफाई कर ली होगी, लेकिन मेरा आज आपसे निवेदन रहेगा कि अपने अंदर की सोच की सफाई अपने करी कि नहीं करी है, उसके ऊपर विचार करेंगे, उसके ऊपर चर्चा करेंगे और एक सोल या एक आत्मा की अपन चर्चा करें। जैसे हमारे जीवन से अगर अपन ईगो को जीरो कर दें तो जो आत्मिक ट्रेट्स बचेंगे, जो सोल की जो क्वालिटीज बचेंगी, उनमें से एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है कंपैशन। तो जी हाँ मित्रों, आज मैं आपसे उसके बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ। नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया। सब्सक्राइब करें लोक टॉक्स चैनल को प्रोफेशनल मेडिकल गाइडेंस के लिए, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मेडिटेशन के लिए एंड लाइफ कोचिंग सेशंस के लिए। यह है मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर, आप कभी भी संपर्क कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। तो कंपैशन के बारे में आज अपन चर्चा करेंगे साथियों। करुणा, जिसको अपन हिंदी में कहते हैं, a trait of a liberated soul, and you can only be liberated truly if you feel compassion and not hatred against any entity in this world. You can be instrumental to their transformation. You are not a victim to anyone else. You can be instrumental to their transformation. When that level of compassion is felt within you, when you feel like transforming even those who hate you, dislike you, hurt you, attack you, trouble you, you are truly liberated and truly compassionate soul. A frustrated, hurtful man came and spat on Buddha. Buddha simply smiled back. Can you imagine the tolerance then? Can you imagine the evolution through which Buddha had gone to that state? Can you ever think of doing it? That somebody is shouting on you and you don't react. Somebody even spat on you and you don't react. The man couldn't sleep that night and couldn't believe how Buddha could smile in spite of being spat on, and he felt guilty. He came to apologize Buddha the very next day, and Buddha said he has not done anything wrong. To which the disciples were very upset and they were saying, he spat on you. What are you saying? How come he didn't do anything wrong? To this, Buddha said wonderful words. He said that he is now completely transformed a person. Obviously, he spat and he was wrong. They all argued and Buddha also accepted it that he was wrong. But now he is completely a transformed person, as he is now a very different him, and that him died last night. He is so much so transformed soul now that guilt has changed him completely. When I did not react to it at all and I accepted his spat, my no reaction brought a big transformation within him. That's the magic of compassion. You lose a fight, but you win a soul. When you live like a soul and think like a soul, compassion comes naturally. Jealousy, judgment, anger, frustration, resentment, dislike, hatred, all are bound to get evaporated from your thought process. Compassion is beyond sympathy and empathy. What's the meaning of sympathy? Sympathy means to understand somebody's pain. Like when we are going for a condolence meeting, we express our sympathy and we express that we understand your pain and your grief. And what is empathy? Empathy is not just understanding pain, but feeling the pain of others. We call it ability to put in somebody else's shoes, means the ability not only to understand, but to feel the same pain of others. So, compassion, you experience and relate to the other person's pain, consider it as your own pain and help him or her to overcome it. Awareness of others person's pain, empathy or empathetic concern by feeling that pain as if it's your own pain. Wish to see the pain relieved, readiness or intense desire to help followed by action. So that is the magic of compassion. So being kind and knowing that everyone is fighting their own struggle and their own battles will empower you to forgive everyone. Everyone you can forgive. and that too quickly one can forget. So that's very great importance of compassion in our life, and compassion is full of emotional intelligence. Give everyone the benefit of doubt, even those who are deliberately hurting you. Their insensitivity or hurtful thoughts and actions are the signs. Their insensitive thoughts and actions are the signs that they are in pain and they can't make terms with. So be a reason to help people rise spiritually. Have no hatred for anyone, dislike none, no tit for tat behavior, no eye for an eye, and don't give it back. कहते हैं ना, ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देना? No, that's not right. Don't teach them a lesson. Transform them. Don't punish them. That will make you more human. It's easy to say I'm a human being, but being human is more a major challenge for every human. To pray for your enemies and to wish good for them is compassion. To pray for the enemies and to wish good for them is compassion. Awaken them, those who are ignorant, with your deep-seated compassion. You can awaken them. So, my dear friends, hope you liked my today's video on compassion. And on this Diwali, if you can develop this particular trait, you are definitely going to become a wonderful human on this planet. And working on your own self, cleaning your own thought process is the best way to celebrate this Diwali and to make your coming happy new year and to make it more prosperous. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Do share it. Hit on the like button if you like it. Do share it with your friends and relatives and colleagues. And make sure to subscribe Lok Talks. Make sure to hit on the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.